in the section before, we studied the definition of the derivative of differentiation for a lot of functions, like polynomial function, or more general, when we have any function, when we can write it like x to the r for any real number, then we can include in this family root x, for example, or x to the 1 over 3, or any kind of this function. We studied also the derivative of the exponential function, more precisely e to the x, when we said its derivative is equal itself. Moreover, what we studied also some formula, like the derivative of the addition or the subtraction is equal the addition or the subtraction of the derivative. We know when we have a constant, we can put it out. You can bring it and put it out. This is what you also, you studied also the derivative of sine, of cosine, of tan, of sec, of cosec. This family, you know the derivative of any trigonometric function. Now we will study more complicated function like this one. We are going to do the chain rule. When we have some function, which is when we can look at like the composition of two functions. For example, here we have root x squared plus 1. Okay. Then we have x squared plus 1. We apply first x squared plus 1. Then we apply root. Okay. Then we have two functions. We have one function inside and one function outside. If we want, the outside function is root x. Okay. The inside function is x squared plus 1. Then here we have the composition of two functions. Capital F is equal, the outside function is small f, and the inside, which is the root, okay? And the inside function, which is x squared plus 1. Then the question, what we have to do in order to evaluate its its derivative. Okay. The answer is very easy. The answer is to use this formula. That means we have to evaluate the derivative of the root, okay? But instead of x, we have to put x squared plus 1 inside, then to multiply by the derivative of x squared plus 1. What that means? That means the derivative of the function is the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside function. However, be careful, the outside function, we have to take its value in the inside function. What that means? That means here we take the outside function in f of x. Be careful, the main difference is here. We take the outside function, we have f prime and g prime. We have a multiplication. However, for g prime, we take it in x, and f prime, we take it in g of x. That's why be careful, but in practice, it's very easy. This is the chain rule. Okay. Here we write the same thing, but by a different way. But in practice, what we have to do in order to evaluate this derivative. The idea is very easy. We have a root here, the inside, we have two functions. Be careful, we have two functions. The inside function and the outside function, okay? The inside function is x squared plus 1, okay? The inside, here x squared plus 1. This is the function g of x. And the outside function is root, okay? Because here, what we have as an outside function, we have this function root. Okay. Then what is the derivative of the composition? The answer is very easy. The derivative of the composition is, we have to evaluate the derivative of root the function. Root the function is equal, root the function is equal u to the half. U to the half, its derivative is half u to the minus half. Why? Because as you know, we have to put to bring the power and to put it out, then to subtract 1 for the power. The power was half, it becomes minus half. That's why this is the derivative of the outside function. Then u to the half, its derivative is 1 over 2 root u. Obviously, the derivative of x squared plus 1 is equal to x. This is an easy polynomial. And its derivative, we have to evaluate the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. The derivative of 1 is 0. That's why its derivative is 2x. Then what we have to do, we have to use this formula, the formula of the derivative of the function of f and j. We have to multiply, but however, for the outside function, we have to take its value in x squared. We have to put x squared plus 1 instead of x. بمعنى الشباب من الأخير what we have to do ناخذ الدالة الأولى الدالة الخارجية نشتقها اوكي بس ما نعوض في الاكس نعوض الانسايد بالدالة الداخلية بمعنى هي 1 over root u then we have to put u here x squared plus 1 because in this one the inside function is x squared plus 1 times the derivative of the inside function. لأنه هنا تركيب دالتين we have the composition of two functions. Is it clear or not شباب? Let me know if you have any question. For example, obviously here we can simplify a little bit. That means we can simplify by 2 and it becomes like that. It's not a problem. Okay. Then to summarize, we have no need to know a lot of ways. We have just to know one. Then, in order to evaluate the derivative of this function, we have to know which one is inside, which one is outside. The outside هي الدالة الخارجية اللي هي root. Let's take another example, for example. When we choose f of x equals 2x plus 3 to the 7, for example. For example, just an example. 2x plus 3 to the 7. 2x plus 3 to the 7. What is its derivative? Could you evaluate its derivative? What is the threat?
2.
2. Before evaluating its derivative, which one is the inside function and which one is the outside function? The inside function is 2x plus 3. الدالة الداخلية اللي هي تكون داخل القوس في المطلق اللي هي في الحالة هذه 2x plus 3. What is the outside function? That means g of x is equal, instead of x squared plus 1, in this case is equal to x plus 3. What about f of x? What is the outside function? من يقول الأوتسايد function هي ايه؟ هي what we have here, we have box to the 7, parenthesis to the 7, then the outside function is, instead of this, is u to the 7, u to the 7. Is it clear for everybody? Then the inside function, اللي هي, because we have capital F is equal f of g. G is the inside function is equal to x plus 3 اللي هي داخل القوس الدالة الداخلية the inside function. However, the outside function is we have here when we look we have parenthesis to the 7. Then your function is u to the 7, u to the 7, and your inside function is 2x plus 3. Then when we apply this formula, what we have to do, we have when we have u to the 7, then it becomes what? 7. box, what you have inside the box, 2x plus 3 to the 6. Is it clear يا شباب؟ إذا عندي u السبعة its derivative is 7 u to the 6. However, I have to multiply by what? I have to multiply by the derivative of the function inside. The function inside is 2. Its derivative maybe it's 2. The function outside is 2x plus 3. That's why its derivative is 2. Its derivative is 2. 2x plus 3. Its derivative is 2. What about what you need to in order to complete your action? We have just to put inside 2x plus 3. إذا نرجع ثاني شباب على المثال الثاني. عندنا 2x plus 7. Okay, that is your function. It's the composition of two functions. The inside function is 2x plus 3. The inside, that means g of x اللي داخل القوس اللي هي 2x plus 3, and the outside function is parenthesis to the 7. Then small f of x is equal u to the 7 of u, I'm sorry. Small f of u is equal u to the 7. What about its derivative? It's equal, we evaluate the derivative of u to the 7. The derivative of u to the 7 is equal 7 u to the 6. Okay. However, u is equal, we have to substitute u by the function inside, which is 2x plus 3, because in your formula, we have f prime in the point g of x. That means f prime in the point, the insider function, times the derivative of the insider function, which is it clear, Shabab? Let's do another one. Obviously, after that, we can simplify a little bit. What about f of x? I'm sorry, capital f of x. What about its derivative? When f of x is equal what? Is equal 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 to the 5. What about its derivative? Try to evaluate its derivative to differentiate this expression. Here we have capital f of x is equal 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 to the 5. What about its derivative? حاولوا تشتغلوا الشباب، بديكم دقيقتين، حاولوا تشتغلوا تجدوا its derivative. Try to evaluate the derivative of capital f of x, which is equal 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 كله قوس parenthesis to the 5. Then I said f of x is equal, what is the function? I'm sorry, to the 5. What was the function? 3x squared, sir?
3x squared plus 2x minus 1.
Good. 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. I have to answer, I have two questions. What is the inside function and what is the outside function? الدالة الداخلية, the inside function is 3x plus 2x minus 1. That's why this is g of x. g of x is equal what شباب? is equal 3x squared. الدالة الداخلية, أتمنى أن كل الشباب معي. 3x squared
plus 2x minus 1
plus 2x minus 1. خلاص هذه هي الدالة الداخلية اللي هي inside the parentheses. Okay, because here we have parentheses to the 5. Okay, I can look my function like parentheses to the 5. That's why f of u, the function outside is, or the outsider function is f of u is equal u to the 5. Is it clear for everybody?
دكتور اليو اوفر 5 من وين جت؟ مو الاوفر 5 حق الاف اكس، ولا الاف اكس هو كسؤال بعدين احنا نفصلها الداخليه والخارجيه؟
اللي بالاحمر هذا شغلك، انا بس اديك الفانكشن واقول لك give me its derivative. اوكي then here انت الخطوه الاولى تنظر you have to look to the function like parenthesis to the 5. Is it clear? Your function the outside function في المطلق عندي شيء داخل قوس inside داخل اوكي بعدين قوس and another application. When we look here inside the parenthesis we have to put the second function which is the insider function which is g to the x. That's why we have f of x is equal the f of x is equal طبعا بس بالاسود الكويشن هي بس بالاسود. We have f of x is equal f o g f o g طبعا دائما هذا الترتيب f o g of x. Is it clear right now? Then اللي بالالوان هو الشغل. Okay. Then we have g of x اللي هو الانسايدر function which is in this case 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. The outside function is we have parentheses to the 5. Then we have to look your function like that. This is the main important point. Why? Because after that, the derivative of capital X, or when we want to differentiate capital X, is equal what? Capital F of X, capital F of X prime is equal what? What we have to do now? It's equal, we have to look the derivative of this function, the outsider function, which is 5 u to the 4. Is it clear, Shabab? The derivative of u to the 5 is 5. We put the power outside, you bring the power and you put it here, 5 u to the 4. What is u? U is 3 is the term inside parenthesis, which is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1. This is u. However, you have u to the 4. Okay, why? Because the derivative of u to the 5 is equal 5 u to the 4. Is it clear right now? However, don't forget we have another.
ما فهمت هذه الخطوة.
I'll go back. We have to multiply by the derivative of the term inside the parenthesis, which is 6x minus 2. After that, we have some computation. It's pre-calculus. Calculus is done. هذا ما عندي. Here we can put 2 outside as common factor and it works. I'll go back. نحاول نفسر للشباب اللي ما فهموا. هذا هو الحل.
6x plus 2 not minus.
Plus, thank you. It's plus. Okay. Then we can put 2 as common factor. It becomes 10, 3x squared plus, thank you, plus 2x minus 1 to the 4 times 3x plus 1. أكيد في شباب غير واضحة الصورة مرة، حتى اللي واضحة يحاولوا يتبعوا معنا. We will redo it once. Here we have, this is your function, 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 to the 5. Is it clear? When we look about this function, we have something inside the parenthesis and something outside the parenthesis. Is it okay? When لما ننظر للقوس كانوا صورة, what you have? We have picture to the 5. Is it clear? Or item to the 5. My function is f of x is equal something to the 5. Is it okay, Shabab? Then the outsider function is something to the 5. That's why my outsider function is u to the 5. What about the inside function? The inside function is what we have inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Then we have parentheses to the 5. That's why your function is, your outsider function is u to the 5, and your insider function is the expression inside the parentheses. The step is clear or not? حاولوا شباب احسن.
كثير.
Okay. Try to evaluate f of x. When f is like that and g is like that, when we do the composition, it becomes like that. This is step 1. This is the main important step. I have to know what is small f of u and what is the small g of u. G of x, I'm sorry. If the step is clear, it's done. Why? Because I have just to apply my formula. What the formula said? The formula said the following. The derivative of capital X is equal what? Is equal. You have to evaluate the derivative of the outsider function. Okay? The outsider here, u to the 5. الدالة الخارجية, u to the 5. Then it's equal, when we evaluate its derivative, is equal 5 u to the 4, but be careful, we have to put instead of u the term inside the parentheses. داخل القوس نعوض اليو، ما نكتب 5 يو اس 4، نكتب 5 اليو نعوضها بالانسايدر فانكشن، بالانسايدر فانكشن الداله الداخليه. اوكي الداله الداخليه اللي هي g of x. اوكي to the 4 because the power becomes 5 minus 1 which is 4. But be careful, it's not done. We have to multiply just by something easy, which is the derivative of the insider function. اشتقاق الدالة الداخلية. الدالة الداخلية اللي هي بالأحمر اللي هي داخل القوس اللي هي 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Obviously, the derivative of 3x squared is 6x. The derivative of 2x is 2, I'm sorry. And the derivative of minus 1 is 0. That's why 6x plus. After that, we can put 2 as common factor and it becomes like. Any question?
دكتور
تفضل.
بس في اللي هي في الأس 4 هذا من وين جاء؟ باور 4.
أي شكرا على السؤال. لأنه اشتقاق when we evaluate f prime of u اشتقاق اليو to the 5 هو كم صديق؟ هو 5 u to the 4. Is it okay? هذا الأربعة هذه 5 this is 5 this is u and this is 4. أجبت على سؤالك ولا نطير ولا في سؤال ثاني؟
اوكي الأربعة هذه من وين كيف جبناها؟ يعني مو موجودة فوق في السؤال 4 كيف طلعت؟
يا صديقي عندنا قانون درسناه اللي يقول لي x أس n أو u أس n اشتقاقه هو كم؟ هو n ننزل الأس n x to the ننقص 1 من الباور. اوكي من 5 4 هي اذا تبغى هي 4 هي 5 minus 1. اوكي
خلاص هذه النقطة اللي كنت مش فاهمها بس طلع لنا في قانون حق هذه.
في قانون يقول x أس n اشتقاقها the derivative of x to the n هي n x n minus 1. دكتور واحد من الباور. تفضل.
ممكن توضح اللي هو 6x زائد 2 كيف يعني؟
تفضل. اوكي هي اشتقاق حول لأنه هنا عندي g برايم of x هنا لأنه في الإكسبريشن قلنا نحسب اشتقاق اللي داخل القوس الفانكشن اللي داخل القوس اللي هي بالأحمر هذه لما نشتقها عندي 3x تربيع اشتقاق 3x تربيع هي مجموعة 3 دوال صديقي صح؟ It's the addition between 3x squared 2x and minus 1. Okay. Its derivative الدالة الانسايد هذه اللي هي g of x اللي هي this one the same when we try to evaluate its derivative 3x squared اشتقاقها كم 3x squared باستعمال القانون هذا هي 6 double 3 times 2 which becomes 6 x to the 2 minus 1 but it becomes 6x. Is it okay? بمعنى اشتقاق الترم هذا يجي 6x متفقين أم لا؟ نعم x تربيع اشتقاقها كم صديق؟ x تربيع نطبق القانون هذا الموجود في الاختيار. اوكي x تربيع اشتقاقها 2x then times 3 becomes 6x 2x its derivative is 2 okay minus 1 its derivative is 0 that's why we have 6x plus we have to put it here. أجبت على سؤالك ولا not yet?
دكتور يعطيك العافية.
Okay. I hope it's clear. Now I have to go back. Okay. Now, obviously, when we have sine u, what we can look sine u. If y equals sine u, for example, what is the outsider function and what is the insider function? The insider function هي الفانكشن اللي داخل القوس اللي هي u. This is the insider function. And the outsider function is sine. Okay. بمعنى الدالة اللي نسويها الأخيرة هي الأوتسايد والأولى هي الإنسايد. We have sine u. That means we apply u then sine. Okay. Then the insider function بمعنى إذا تبغاو you can see like that sine u. Okay. Then the insider function is mu, g of x, the insider, and the outsider function is f of x. Then when is sine u in this case? When we apply your formula, what he said, the chain rule, she said, the chain rule said the following. We have to evaluate the derivative of sine. What about the derivative of sine, شباب? The derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative هذا درسناه في slide في lecture before. The derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of sine is cosine. That's why the derivative of sine is cosine. That's why we have to evaluate its derivative is equal cosine u times اشتقاق the derivative of the insider function. Then it's just a formula. Then more general, we can use this formula without proof. In general, that means when we have sine x تربيع مثلا, for example, قل لي ايه في اي مكان احتاج القانون هذا, نقول لك take the function, for example, sine x to the 3. What is its derivative? اختار الدالة هذه اللي كتبتها بالأزرق تحت. Sine x to the 3. What is its derivative شباب؟ مين يقول لي اشتقاق الدالة هذه يساوي كم؟ Sine x to the 3 is equal what? Its derivative is equal what? Let f of x equals sine x to the 3. I want x to the 2 to 3. 2. F of x is equal sine x squared. My question, what is its derivative? من يقول اشتقاقها كم sine x تربيع? The answer is the following. اللي فهمت
2x cosine x تربيع.
بالضبط. Then its derivative is equal. إذا أول شيء ننظر للدالة الانسايدر function والoutsider function. As I said, هنحاول نسوي بالأحمر الانسايدر function. This is the insider function. And the outsider function بالأخضر أو بالblue. I hope it works. This is the outsider function. Then its derivative is, we have to evaluate the derivative of sine. As I said, the derivative of sine, اللي هي outsider function, is cosine. Then cosine what? Cosine, what we have inside the parentheses. We have x squared. Cosine. It's not cosine x, it's cosine u. However, u is equal x squared. Times what? The derivative of x squared. The derivative of x squared is equal to x. That's why it's equal to x times cosine x squared. Another thing, when we have u to the n, as I did before, the derivative of u to the n is equal. What is u to the n, Shabab? It's the composition of, we have something. What is the insider function and what is the outsider function? The insider function is u, and the outsider function is x to the n, if you will. X to the n. Something to the n. We have parentheses of u to the n. Then its derivative is equal n u to the n minus 1 times the derivative of the insider function. This is the derivative of the insider function. And this is the derivative of the outsider function. And we have to take the product between the first and the second. Okay? That's why when we have any function, its derivative to the n, its derivative is equal what? Is equal n. This function to 1 power, we have to put n minus 1 instead of n, times the derivative of the function. القانون هذا الشباب استعملته بس بدون ما اتحدث عليه لما سوينا المثال اللي على البورد هذا اللي هو it was to the 5, something to the 5. I used n equal 5 and g of x equal على ما اتذكر 2x او 3x تربيع زائد 2x minus 1, something like that.
Yeah,
I did it exactly.
sure that.
Okay, I did it before. Then, as application, what is the derivative of this expression? What is the derivative of this expression? I will do it after break. ناخذ بريك شباب 10 دقائق ونرجع بعد البريك نسوي المثال هذا.